A good-hearted woman named Lisa used to reside in a little village tucked away in England's rolling hills. She was well known in the hamlet for her kindness, generosity, and steadfast devotion to her husband, Alex. As a teacher of English, Alex was enthusiastic about spreading his love of the language to others. He frequently devoted his days to teaching the local adults and children how to read, write, and communicate in English. Alex was committed to his students, but he had trouble finding a partner who was as passionate about the language as he was. Alex once observed a timid young woman seated in the rear of the room when he was instructing a beginner's English class at the town community center. She came from a distant land and had just lately relocated to the community. Her name was Anna. Anna felt confused and alone in a place where she couldn't speak the language, even though her husband had brought her to England in hopes of a better life. As the weeks passed, Alex noticed Anna's perseverance in learning English in spite of her early difficulties. Eager to advance her language abilities, she showed up to every lesson with unrelenting determination. One day, after class, Anna was contacted by Alex, who was impressed by her persistence and offered to help her further outside of the classroom. The offer delighted Anna, and she accepted it with pleasure. Alex started tutoring Anna in the evenings, carefully helping her navigate the intricacies of the English language. Anna's confidence increased with each class, and before long, she could have basic discussions with the other villagers. Anna's relationship with Alex improved along with her English. They spent hours talking about their favorite books and poems after discovering a mutual passion of reading. Anna's development and her enthusiasm for learning astounded Alex. Alex soon discovered that he had discovered a kindred spirit in addition to a committed student. He discovered that Anna's brains, compassionate disposition, and unyielding resolve had captured his heart. Alex realized he wanted to live out the rest of his days with Anna as their love grew. With tears of happiness in her eyes, he proposed to her one lovely spring afternoon in the village square, beneath the shade of an old oak tree. He discovered that no loved with it, and in front of their loved ones. They were rejected, and in front of their loved ones, they were married in a happy ceremony. Anna became not only Alex's wife, but also his staunchest comrade and supporter after that day. They continued to teach English to the locals together, encouraging others to learn and develop by drawing on their mutual love of the language. Because of their shared experiences and respect for one another, Alex and Anas's love only became stronger over time. Together, they journey over the globe, experiencing various languages and cultures while always coming back to the village they adored. And as they develop together, Alex and Anna continue to be the villagers' brightest example of genuine love and cooperation. They were more than just the neighborhood English teacher and his spouse. They were representations of kindness, hope, and the ability of love to triumph over all challenges. As a result, Alex and Anna led a happy life together in a little English village, inspiring future generations with their tale. If this story inspired you, like this video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be with you every step of the way. Let's do this together.